In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Figma. Start by opening your design file so you can see the canvas and the properties panel on the right. Next, select the content you want to export. You can click a single layer, a frame, a group, or a component, and Figma will use that selection to determine what gets saved. Clear layer names are helpful because the export button will use that name, which makes your files easier to organize later. If you need several items exported, you can select them one after another using the same steps. With your layer selected, look to the right sidebar and scroll all the way to the bottom. The export section sits beneath the other design properties, so it may be out of view until you reach the end. In that export section, click the plus icon to add a new export configuration. This tells Figma you are setting up the exact way you want this asset to be saved. Now configure the settings. Choose a scale like 1x, 2x, or 3x. Use 1 times degrees Fahrenheit or standard size. And 2x or 3x for high resolution displays so your images look crisp on Retina screens. Then pick a format. PNG is great for UI elements and supports transparency. JPG creates smaller files for photos or gradients when transparency isn't needed. SVG keeps vector paths ideal for icons and logos that must stay sharp at any size. PDF is perfect when you need a document or a vector layout for print and sharing. You'll also see a background option labeled Ignore Overlapping Layers. Toggle this on if you want a cleaner cut of the selected object without visual interference from neighboring layers. It helps when objects sit close together or have effects that extend beyond their bounds. Click Preview to confirm exactly what will be exported. This updates in real time as you change format or scale. So take a moment to check edges, transparency, and spacing. When everything looks right, click the Export button that shows your layer's name. In the desktop app, you'll be prompted to choose a save location. In the browser, the file goes straight to your Downloads folder. If you created multiple configurations, repeat the export for each one to get all the sizes and formats you need. That's the complete process for exporting in Figma. Thanks for watching.